All 7 rolls of the silver rhinestone ribbon came packaged together in plastic wrap. Each roll came in varying widths. The ribbon is adorned with many tiny little crystal rhinestones that, when put against lighting, gives a very brilliant glitter. The ribbon is flexible and can be cut to size according to your craft project. The ribbon comes with a self-adhesive backing, so no additional glue is required. When adhering the ribbon to your surface area, apply the ribbon to the surface area by removing the wax backing. To cut the ribbon to size, use a good pair of scissors as the self-adhesive backing is quite sticky. Here are a couple of DIY projects where I applied the rhinestone ribbon. I used the rhinestone ribbon to embellish a solar garden stick. I cut the ribbon into strips and adhered it to the solar top as well as to the garden stick. I also used the ribbon to embellish a cookie tray, which I turned into a glam mirrored serving tray with handles that were also adorned with this ribbon.